Hey there, teddy bears, Maida here. Borscht is a soup common in Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. It is made with beetroots as one of the main ingredients, which give this dish its distinctive color. In this video, I will share to you my version of borscht. Here are the steps and ingredients that we need. First, we will peel and roughly chop 5 cloves of garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can use 3 cloves. Then, peel and dice 1 small onion. I'm now chopping 250 grams of cabbage. And finally, peeling and dicing our root vegetables, the carrot, beets, and potatoes. After all those choppings, we are now ready to cook. Let's go! Using my water heater / multi-cooker, I am sauteing our garlic and onions into the pot until they are soft and aromatic. Add the carrots and stir it some more, for our cooker can burn our onions and garlic easily. Then we can cover for a bit. Now once the carrot softens, we can now add our potatoes. Finally, the star of our show, our beets. Just put it in our pot, give it some more stir, and you can now see that it's giving our dish more color. Stir it some more to avoid burning, and add our 500 ml of water. What a lovely color. In this dish, I'm not going to add a lot of salt, for we will use chicken cubes. Cover for some more until our potatoes and beets softens, and add our chicken cubes. If you have laurel leaf, that would be great. You can also add other herbs and spices. I will now add our corned beef. It's 150 grams. Put it in like that, making sure that we get all those good stuffs into our pot. By the way, if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe. I'm giving our borscht some more stir and some more taste. Then I will now put our peppers. I will add more pepper here because I don't have a lot of spices available. Mixed herb will be great. Some rosemary, basil, thyme, whatever herbs you like. If you can just smell it. Finally, for the last stage, we will now add our cabbage. It may
seems like it's a lot of cabbage, but it will actually shrink. This dish is actually good for 2 or 3 people, but I'm alone, so it's actually my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And after a long minutes of waiting, our borscht is done. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you again next time. Take care always and have a nice day. Bye bye.